Intro. Our world is filled with questions we can't answer. From strange signals in deep space to historical enigmas that defy explanation. Today, we're counting down the top 10 mysteries that science and investigation still cannot solve. 10. The Voynich Manuscript. Kicking off our list is a book written in a language no one can read. The Voynich Manuscript, dating back to the 15th century, is filled with illustrations of strange plants, astronomical charts, and bizarre biological drawings. Despite decades of work by the world's best cryptographers, its code remains unbroken. Is it a lost language, an elaborate hoax, or something else entirely? The manuscript remains a complete mystery. 9. The Dyatlov Pass Incident. In 1959, 9 experienced hikers died in Russia's Ural Mountains under terrifyingly strange circumstances. Their tent was cut open from the inside, and they fled into the freezing wilderness, some without shoes or coats. The bodies were found with bizarre and severe injuries, but with no signs of a struggle. Theories range from an avalanche to secret military tests, but to this day, no one knows for sure what happened on that mountain. 8. The WOW Signal. In 1977, a radio telescope searching for extraterrestrial life picked up a powerful 72-second signal from deep space. It was so unique and seemingly intelligent in its structure that the astronomer who discovered it wrote "wow" on the data printout. The signal came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, but it has never been detected again. It was a single, powerful broadcast that remains the most compelling candidate for an alien message ever received. 7. The disappearance of Amelia Earhart. During an attempt to circumnavigate the globe in 1937, pioneering aviator Amelia Earhart and her navigator Fred Noonan vanished over the Pacific Ocean. Despite the most extensive search and rescue effort in naval history at the time, no trace of them or their plane was ever definitively found. Did they crash and sink? Did they land on an uninhabited island? The fate of Amelia Earhart remains one of aviation's greatest unsolved mysteries. 6. The Mary Celeste. In 1872, the brigantine Mary Celeste was discovered adrift and deserted in the Atlantic Ocean. The ship was in seaworthy condition, with its cargo intact and a 6-month supply of food and water. The crew's personal belongings were undisturbed. The only things missing were the lifeboat, the captain's logbook, and the entire 10-person crew. They were never seen or heard from again, leaving behind a ghost ship and an enduring maritime mystery. 5. The nature of consciousness. This mystery is inside every one of us. What is consciousness? We know we have subjective experiences, thoughts, and feelings, but how does the physical matter of our brain, neurons, and electrical signals create the non-physical experience of being aware? This is known as the hard problem of consciousness, and despite advances in neuroscience, we are no closer to understanding how the brain produces the feeling of being you. 4. The Tunguska Event. In 1908, a colossal explosion flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest with the force of a hydrogen bomb. The blast was heard hundreds of kilometers away. The most accepted theory is that a meteor or comet exploded in the atmosphere. However, no impact crater has ever been found, and no significant fragments of the object have been recovered, leaving the precise cause of the largest impact event in recorded history a subject of debate. 3. The Zodiac Killer. During the late 1960s and early 1970s, a serial killer who called himself the Zodiac terrorized Northern California. He was known for taunting the police and press with a series of complex ciphers and letters. While he claimed to have killed 37 people, only 5 murders have been definitively linked to him. Despite a massive investigation and numerous suspects over the years, the identity of the Zodiac Killer has never been confirmed, and the case remains officially unsolved. 2. Dark matter and dark energy. Everything we can see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest is a complete mystery. About 27% is dark matter, an invisible substance whose gravity holds galaxies together. The other 68% is dark energy, a mysterious force that is causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. We can see their effects, but we have no idea what they actually are. Together, they represent the biggest puzzle in modern cosmology. 1. The origin of life. And the number one mystery that cannot be explained is the most fundamental of all. How did life begin? We know the components: water, carbon, amino acids. But how did these non-living chemicals assemble themselves into the first self-replicating organism? This jump from non-life to life, known as abiogenesis, is a process we have never been able to replicate or fully understand. It is the ultimate mystery of our own existence. Outro: from the depths of space to the secrets of our own minds. These mysteries continue to challenge our understanding of the world. Which one do you find most fascinating? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.